New Chinese AI destroys Photoshop. There's a new Chinese AI that can edit photos better than Photoshop, and it's completely free. I'm talking object removal, style transfers, professional edits in seconds, no subscription, no complex tools, just pure AI power. This could change everything for content creators. I know that sounds crazy, but hear me out. This thing is an 80 billion parameter AI model. That's huge, and it's completely open source and free to use. You can edit photos with simple text commands, remove objects, change styles, enhance quality, all in seconds, no layers, no masks, no complicated tools. Just type what you want and the AI does it. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use it today. Plus, I'll compare it directly to Photoshop so you can see which one wins. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let me start with what this thing actually is. Huan Image 3.0 is the world's largest open source text to image model. It has 80 billion parameters with 64 experts built in. The instruct version is what makes it special. It can do image to image editing. That means you upload a photo and tell it what to change. Want to remove a car from a street photo? Just type it. Want to turn your photo into an oil painting? One command. Want to enhance the resolution and lighting? Done in seconds. This is semantic editing. The AI understands what you're asking and makes it happen. No manual work, no technical skills needed, and it's free. Now let me show you what it can actually do. First up is text to image generation. You type a prompt and it creates photorealistic images. The prompt adherence is really strong. If you say you want a sunset cityscape with neon lights, that's what you get. But the real power is in the image to image editing. Here's where it gets interesting. You can add or remove objects from photos. Let's say you have a product photo with a messy background. Just tell the AI to remove it, clean background in seconds, or you want to add something to a scene, type what you want added. The AI blends it naturally. Style transfer is insane. Turn any photo into anime style, oil painting, cyberpunk, watercolor, whatever you want. This is perfect for content creators. You can create unique visuals for social media without being an artist. Image enhancement is built in too. Upscale low quality photos, improve lighting, fix colors, sharpen details. And here's something cool, multi-image blending. You can take elements from different photos and merge them into one scene. The AI makes it look natural. All of this happens through simple text instructions. Now here's the part that makes it even better. The model has reasoning built in. If you give it a vague prompt, it rewrites it into something better automatically. You type, make this look cool. The AI expands that into enhance lighting, add cinematic color grading, increase sharpness, 4K quality. That's powerful because most people don't know how to write perfect prompts. This fixes that problem. All right, let me pause here for a second, because if you want to learn how to actually use AI tools like this to automate your business and save hours every week, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. We teach you how to use tools like Huan Image to create content faster, build better marketing materials, and automate creative work. Imagine using this AI to generate all your social media visuals in minutes instead of hours, or creating professional graphics for your landing pages without hiring a designer. That's the kind of stuff we cover in the AI Profit Boardroom. No fluff, just practical AI automation that actually works. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. Okay, back to the video. Let me show you how to actually use this thing. There are two ways, web-based or local installation. For most people, the web-based version is perfect. You can use platforms like Dezeen or Creepowl. They host Huan Image for free. Here's the workflow. Go to one of these sites, upload your image if you're doing image to image editing, or leave it blank for pure text to image. Then write a clear instruction. Let's say I want to create a professional hero image for the AI Profit Boardroom landing page. I type something like this: create a modern tech hero image showing AI automation, clean professional design, blue and white color scheme, futuristic elements, high quality 4K. Hit generate, wait a few seconds, download the image, that's it. For image editing, same process, upload the photo, type what you want changed. Remove the background and replace it with a clean office setting, professional lighting, sharp details. The AI handles the rest. No complex Photoshop tutorials needed, no spending hours watching YouTube videos to learn masking. Just simple instructions and results. Now, if you're more technical, you can run this locally. The GitHub repo is available, so is the Hugging Face model card. But I'll be honest, running it locally needs a powerful GPU. We're talking 24 to 48 gigabytes of VRAM. Most people don't have that. So stick with the web version. It works great and it's free. Now let's talk about the big question. Does this actually replace Photoshop? Here's my honest take. For certain tasks, yes, absolutely. If you need quick edits, style transfers, object removal, or enhancement, Huan Image wins. It's faster, it's easier, and it's free. Photoshop would take you hours to do what this AI does in seconds. Let me give you a real example. Say you want to remove a person from a group photo. In Photoshop, you'd use the content aware fill, manually clean up edges, adjust lighting, blend it in. That's 10 to 15 minutes of work if you know what you're doing, longer if you don't. With Huan Image, you upload the photo and type remove the person on the left, done in 30 seconds, same result, way less time, or style transfers. Turning a photo into an oil painting in Photoshop requires filters, adjustments, manual touch-ups. With this AI, one command, turn this into an oil painting style, perfect result instantly. That's where Huan Image destroys Photoshop. But here's where Photoshop still wins. If you need pixel perfect control, Photoshop is better. Professional retouching for commercial work, print-ready files, complex compositing with layers. Photoshop gives you full control over every detail. Huan Image is AI-driven, so you get what the AI thinks you want. Most of the time, that's great. But sometimes you need manual precision. Also, Photoshop has non-destructive editing. You can always go back and change things. With AI editing, what you get is what you get. You'd have to regenerate if you don't like it. So here's how I see it. For content creators, social media managers, small business owners, Huan Image is perfect. You're making visuals for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube thumbnails, website graphics. This AI is faster and cheaper. For professional designers doing commercial work, Photoshop still has its place. But for 90% of people, this free AI does everything you need, and you don't have to pay Adobe's monthly subscription. That alone is huge. Now let me talk about some limitations. Because nothing is perfect, first, it's not ideal for commercial grade retouching. If you're editing photos for a magazine cover or a major brand campaign, you probably still need Photoshop. Second, you need good prompts. The AI is smart, but vague instructions give vague results. Make this better won't work as well as enhanced lighting, increase contrast, sharpen details, add cinematic color grading. Be specific and you'll get better results. Third is still trial and error sometimes. You might need to generate a few versions before you get exactly what you want. But that's true with any AI tool. The key is learning what prompts work best. So when should you use this? Social media visuals, perfect for Instagram posts, stories, thumbnails, concept art, quick mockups, and creative experiments, content creation, blog graphics, email headers, landing page images, style experiments, trying different looks without spending hours in Photoshop, budget-friendly projects when you can't afford Adobe or a designer. That's where this shines. Let me give you a practical example. Let's say you run the AI Profit Boardroom and you need to create social media posts every week. You could spend hours in Canva or Photoshop making graphics, or you could use Huan Image. Type a prompt like create a professional tech graphic and showing AI automation benefits, clean modern design, blue color scheme, high quality. Get your image in seconds, post it, move on. That's automation, that's saving time so you can focus on growing your business. And this is just one tool. Imagine using AI across your entire workflow. That's what we teach in the AI Profit Boardroom. Anyway, let me wrap this up. Huan Image 3.0 Instruct is one of the strongest free image editing AIs out there right now. It's open source, it's powerful, and it's actually usable. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need expensive software, just clear instructions, and this AI does the work. Will it completely replace Photoshop? For most people, yes. For professional commercial work, probably not yet. But for content creators, small businesses, and anyone who just needs good visuals fast, this is a game changer and it's free. So try it out, see what you can create. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you're going to try this tool, and I'll see you in the next one.